So, but the problem was, ayun, since meron na akong na-jowa, so, I don't want to, hindi ako ganong klaseng, babae na if I have my boyfriend, then I will go out and chat kung kahit kani-kanino lalaki. So, that's not the point. I just wanted to, you know, it's because maganda yung pag-approach niya sa akin. I have to give good approach as well. So, yun yung first. And then the second one naman is they are from Canada. So, the two of them. And this guy looks, mga gagwapo nila actually. They're merong malpas. But I'm not really into beards, you know. So, yeah. And we're just chill one beer and after that go home. So they would love to try what's this called? They would love to try balut here in the Philippines. And ayun na nga, so I spent my whole night actually in the front beach dancing, watching performances on the different groups, and I enjoyed it much. So here's the thing, of course, since meron tayo na jowa, ayan, magagalit yun. So, he just told me to, since lowbat kasi ako, so I have to save the battery. That's why na ako nag-open. But, ayun, sumobra ng 1 hour. Almost 2 hours ako before naka-open ng cellphone. So, ayun, nagalit ang uncle nyo. Yeah, but that's it. Actually, it's not like, what's this called? I think he's very, he's loyal para sa akin. But, me, of course, I'd like to talk with other people also, to communicate with them, and, to just pakikipaghalubilo, it's called in Tagalog. So, yeah, that's it. They wanted to talk, so I'd like to talk to them. It's not about like, gusto ko or something like that, but it's just like part of human being, we have to makipaghalubilo wherever we are. We are used to what's this called? We are used to how, especially like me, I really love to go out, so I have to adjust in a very easy, kasi medyo nasanay na din ako to go out like alone, so that's me. So what can I do about it? Okay, but anyway guys, so ayun naman update ko for today, kasi matutulog na ako very soon. Antok na yung anten nyo. Ayan, super pagod na yan. So, ayan naman guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye bye for now.